The new Rasor battery-driven Forza is designed to cut any kind of industrial textiles, technical textiles, carpet, soft rubber, composites, and many other materials up to 25 millimeters thickness. The Forza is the most powerful battery-driven cutting tool Rasor has ever produced. With its 18-volt motor and 6 amp-hour battery, it delivers great cutting power combined with long cutting time without recharge. With the latest lithium-ion technology, the battery is full charged in only 45 minutes. An LED indicator can show the charge status in every moment. The new ALG80 charger has an USB port available. A tool-less variable finger protection fulfills highest standards of safety. Resharpening the blade takes less than 10 seconds thanks to the easy-to-use sharpening system. The speed regulation system in 6 positions allows to have the most optimized blade speed for any kind of material. The central placed blade guidance makes cutting of heavier or more compressed materials much easier. Without power supply cord, the Forza is a flexi tool that can be used in various workplaces and with different types of materials. The cutting edge is clean and comfortable for further processing at your place of work. Thanks to a large selection of different blades and the adjustable blade speed, you will always find a suitable combination for your cutting work. The delivery contains the Forza with 1 battery and charger, 1 extra blade, accessories, and CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation's download. This is a demonstration video only. Metal protection gloves are compulsory. We recommend wearing only Rasor-approved metal safety gloves like our RSG gloves for any kind of using of the cutter.